Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, Vinny, Kiara birthday. Happy birthday, Kiara. How old are you today?
22.
22. Yes.
Actually, I was saying the other day, I feel younger being
Yeah.
22 than I was when I was 21. Because when I turned 21, I was like, oh my god, I'm so old. But I'm actually not that old.
No, you are
Not yet.
22 young and 22 blessed. 22
Yeah.
years blessing.
Very blessed.
You've been blessing longer than last year because 21 blessing, now 22 blessing. Yeah, extra year blessing is. Mizoram tilhin nal katil tuka thomno pumin kain belcha katin hichu. Yes, I think you will suit the Mizo traditional outfit.
I like long skirts.
I think we need to try on you today. Today. Oh.
Actually, that'd
Yeah.
be like the best day of my life.
For your birthday. Oh wow.
Have you got
Yes.
one?
Yeah. Hey, kan nu in Kiara birthday pualin Mizo inthuam kan inthuam chir chin te angatya ani lai hian in lo chak ema the best birthday present to outfit to put it on. Yeah. Chuwa chan kan nu hian a theng emo tia thomno himo ama Sunday dress anga Mizo thuam han ti le ma ui in me don lutuk. Oh, yes.
Thank you. Oh,
Yeah.
I love the fabric.
Oh.
Oh, I don't know. It might make me think.
Ui, in me lutuk. Ui, so beautiful, Kiara. Yeah. Ui, in me lutuk. Wow. Wow.
Princess.
Princess kayo nga yun isang princess. Okay. Okay. So, mom say, you can wear the skirt. This is going to help you. F1. Matching with skirt. No. Atlet. Tetayang taro.
I love this top.
Oh, to pinal
I
ka
like the sleeves.
tieti.
I don't have anything
Yeah.
with sleeves like this.
Oh, tiang hi kala hangay reng lawa ban dan te hi anal ka ti. Oh. Ka dik zong mi no. You need to wear a high heel. It's nice with a wear high heel, you know. You try yourself, Kiara. It's hard to spin it round. No, ama kan hanti tir chinte. Hold all the way around to put in the end, and yeah,
That a bit better. Oops.
yeah. Ay, anin beat. Puin tir na self to.
Oh,
Oh.
there we go. Is that it?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, my dress is still sticking out.
Oh, chan vein oh. Anal zo ka. Ay.
Pop a peg anyway.
Oh, I wish you come to Mizoram.
One day.
Yeah.
I'll do it.
Mizoram local Pathian Zara. Local ve ngay tura be sila engtik niya mo chuan. Kan Mizo inthuam hi mo ye tilutuka. Kanu thom no in bel ni hi. In bel china ni hi. A birthday pualin. Minen bel tir chuanin ka birthday ka hlim na ber pakhat ka birthday puala hlim na ber pakhat min khanan yang. Oh, is which one is you comfortable, right side or left side? It's up to you. You feel like Oh wow, Kiara, come down. Yes,
Oh my
oh, my beautiful Kiara. Oh, you look
God,
beautiful.
I feel like actually like a princess.
Oh, wow, Kiara. Inhmeh we. Yeah. Able, yeah. That's. Oh, in main low TM. Can you ask in Mizo in English? Do I look good in Mizo traditional outfit? Yeah, ask them.
Do I look good?
Say something. Do you like it?
Yes, it's. I just feel so like royal.
Ah,
So different. I've
Engla.
never worn anything like
Oh.
with the sleeves.
Yeah.
And the little.
Yeah. Oh, tiang he we kat ma ka la in bel ngai lawa lal fanu ka ang ati ni chu. Oh, su chi. Kanal min lo ti amati. Yeah, min lo judge ula kanal in TM. Yeah, color. Nu tu nge tu three ching ei kor hi. Madingi ko sip dia ko. Salem veng say madingi make the top madingi say you did a really good job. I like.
Madini.
Yeah, madingi.
Good job.
Yeah, madingi, umadingi.
Hameltra.
Oh.
Mama tên được quý hẳn thế đấy.
Oh, mama tên nu pui ka hey Kiara hian ik chua khi.
Come and
Oh.
be a model and
Yes, kan nu in ka tu nu ati cha hey I kor three nge me hetlai muna kan nu ron keng kha Kiara na lau have china a three thia me a moi ka tilutuk ati ni chi oh skirt coming darling. See?
something underneath.
Don't
Tiếp theo là
oh. Try to yeah.
ba cả tan tuần để đều biết
Oh, attention sang de what ti po ti thai po ni lo. Yeah. Yeah, try to squeeze it yourself. Is it okay? Is it make it tight? Yeah. Yeah. Make it there. Yeah. Yeah,
It's like when you get out of the shower and you have like a towel on.
Yeah.
And you don't want it to fall down.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. Yeah, something
Yeah.
like that. Yeah. Yes, yeah. Can you request people?
If you so bad.
Come on.
I could never be a YouTuber.
Yeah.
So let us know in the comments what you think.
Yes, that's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
And I'll come to Mizotawng one day.
Yes. So, kanal
Canal.
in TM.
Canal inthuam.
Oh, that's yeah. That is. Do you think I look good?
Oh,
Yeah.
I forgot.
I'm going to ask. I'm going to let you say. I hope you do so. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like nal
Nal.
minti
Menti.
ngay
Nal menti.
ngay kabese.
Kabese.
I hope you think I look good. Yeah.
Right.
Nal.
well.
Nal
Nal.
minti
Minti.
ngay
Nye.
kabese.
Kabese.
Yes,
Nal,
yes.
minti,
Ngay.
Nye.
Kabese.
Kabese.
Yes. Oh, achalutuk is beautiful. Meltra, Kiara.
Meltra.
Ah.
Hello, me.
Oh, we have more lutuk, Kiara.
Thanks for Mizo.
Oh, and
Let's
oh,
get swallowed.
anal inlaw tinge kan bay se Kiara in a birthday puala Mizotawng an inthuam hi ka birthday puala present.
Oh, birthday.
Oh, atan nila mas hey inthuam shim traditional midang outfit anga inthuam shim kha mo ye intini mo nu hello ka birthday puala til min present lutakan ni min inthuam tir hi atini kanilo wala kan lang vere de I want to stand next to you.
I got this.
Oi!
Good.
Chan him and Maliloti.
tikhan na siya.
Nu hết lại check ha. Lâu nhiều là hết lại check ha.
Imal pui khen ka la.
Anh là in lâu thì nghe cần về sẽ ya ô Kiara hi.
Anal te me niya Kiara i le anu hi. Au nu hi.
Anh là
lutuk eh.
Serious, you look so beautiful. Kiara in lâu thì chuan comment ka alo share don. You're going to read all the comment, yeah. Who put say you look good. You're going to
This was terrible.
Comment này lâu đã sắc cái cái bây giờ mà sẽ anh ông lâu mấy thấy xin là tiền là mình tu cho chân lâu ôm chuan Kiara you look so beautiful in lâu
No. Stop it.
Em anh ấy love em Kiara, không nô cánh phải là.
I might have to kneel down.
Oh, yes, please.
Wait, should we go skirts first?
Yes. So, come close.
We're like a little baby. I don't want to like.
Chị có đâu nè.
Ôm lòng.
Okay.
Wait. Oh my gosh, I'm so warm. I'm not used to wearing such thick material.
Yeah, they are quite thick.
It's warm today in England. Okay.
Vậy chị khoa tiên hỏa mà. Ôi ha.
Oh, thank you so much. That was so much fun. I feel like, you know, when we say that we need to go and like
Yeah,
get dressed up, take photos.
If you like that.
I feel like that.
That opportunity. That.
It's our edition.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. That was so fun.
Okay. Anh mấy lâu tiếng nghe cần bê xe nha. Cái nào kha. Amoy.
Sparkly.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
Now we just finished Mizo traditional outfit. What do you like to say, my dear?
Mizo's traditional outfit is moi lutuk.
Yes. More. One more.
Moi lutuk.
Yes, moi lutuk. From the full sentence, Mizo.
Okay. Wait.
Okay.
Get my YouTube.
Yeah.
Mizo's traditional outfit is moi lutuk.
Yes, that's good. High five. Yes.
I was fluent one day.
Yes. Moi lutuk. Kanu kalom lutuk. Kanu. Thank you. I said because if I don't have it, so I'm so
Yeah,
grateful,
kalome.
Mom. Yeah. Kalomenu.
Kalomenu.
Yeah. He said like, thank you, Mom. She said like, you are most welcome, my daughter. Yeah.
Thank you. That was so much fun.
Thank you. Ay, Corey, to ba siya treat yam lutuk. Ito no, madingi mo. Ilaw treat siya doon niya kanu he. Janin.
Thủy khiết lắm cơ ha.
Umadingi kan lo me
Chicken wrap as always.
Kiara birthday pualin chicken wrap kan edon ni kanu havin. Nice.
As always, beautiful. I never have any tea
Yeah.
after I come to Kiara. So
Ini nak kalau kau hijau adin kau ho na kau ho in
She
chok
goes
ito ngai
really
lo
well.
ke puat hay lu tukat ini so lo mom le me. Thank you.
thank you. You're the best host. Ring of fire.
Yeah. So hey ghost chili ti hi kan pa yan min present na. So attack lu tuka ghost chili.
Yeah.
How yeah.
I will
So-
not be eating that.
Kaya lang mga tini to Kiara yan. So hey chin turan ni to Kiara na ching don for your birthday you're going to give let it grow by yeah you're going to grow that chili
It's under the soil,
yeah
that bit, and then water it gently. Leave it in direct sunlight, and in a couple of months you'll be harvesting your own crop of extremely hot chilies.
ooh Juan kan chin na turan nita Juan in hey eng lau chu and there were just only 5 seeds chi panga cho ni chu pathum pali panga Juan in I think we grow just only 2 or 3 Mom, I want Mom to take it home. Want to plant in Mizotawng.
Oh right.
You know what I mean? Just so don't
So should we do
use them
3?
because it's just try.
Thinking, because you know when you have like chili flakes,
Yeah,
they have like these seeds.
Yeah.
In them. Can you plant them? Or
I
do they dry
don't
them out?
know. I
And then
don't know.
just
Yeah,
Plant a few, see what happens.
yeah. I don't know. Do you need to make it wet first?
It says
or-
after.
After,
Water them
okay.
after.
Kiara in for her birthday memories. She's going to grow chili. Mercha,
It's like, my
chingdon.
baby.
Yeah, mercha
My birthday
chingdon.
baby.
Ani?
Is that even gonna? Oh yeah. It's like a cat litter.
Yeah. Okay.
I feel like a scientist.
Yeah. I hope it's grow, don't
I
kill
know
it.
I've never seen soil like this.
Yeah,
put
I
some-
think
oh.
special soil or I don't know.
So, need to put some good vibes.
Yeah. So is it?
Grow really hot and
Okay.
burn everyone's mouth.
Yeah.
It says.
So the
Just pop the lid on the can. Oh yeah. Under the soil and water them gently.
Gently. Okay. Tùy klem te à kan da nga. I think that
How
it's
much
true.
do you think?
I don't know.
It just says water them gently.
Tùy
I'm just gonna let it
tùy
drop.
lệ nga. Ihanin kan da don ya.
Maybe
Is it in it 3 months?
A couple of months. So
Oh, I meant to khani nu vela lo eng lo marcha hi kan e tur kan nei turai kan in base sei ni chu khani thathum nu vela. Oh, let's see, finger cross.
No.
Hi lofa.
The
Yeah.
ghost chilies in law.
Yeah, lofa kan da tha chau do na ni.
As a haunted law. I hope they won't
Yeah.
drop him.
Yeah.
Can you imagine?
Da in chung a hianin kan nu in thai chi chinga enge an o kan enang o.
I'm a bit scared of heights. I get shaky legs.
In chung hen la lon ngai me lawa voi khat na
It's
ni.
so nice to have windows in your loft.
Yeah.
Mine's very dingy. I'm trying not to trip over my
Got a dress and ro. Hey, nu khoi ka lo la mi.
Ow.
Kanu huan ni. Kanu nursery and te u kanu hian thila chau ching na samaya kan anti rang chau nu en te chat sia hi. Heng ho hi chu lo la chu lo ma se heng ho hi. E ti thar hoi tro. And te u hey mai. Hey tro mai kha. Mai ti sang to sin. Lin hi chak na samay.
Itu lah ciak lah. Hei apar sin te kha.
Ani chuan I eng lo la nu.
Apar so de uliak kamo. Heng ho hin li ta
Ang
ni.
parte.
Chuan.
What you think, our love?
It's so cool.
You can hiding, you know. You can hide. I go bean back in here and sit down and read the book.
I can really see my house from here.
Yeah, kan ka mutaya din
Koi lang in.
Mom say show me where is your house.
You have to try
Yeah. Oh, hey kan in chunga changa kan veng
beautiful view.
view ani. Moi khop mai Kiara te in chu hu lai mi khu ni khu. Hey het la kan tiang mo. Hey het lai hi het lai in hik an in. Lai mi hi oh. Hey ting ka tiang oh het lai mi hin in ani chu. Kiara te in kan in hlat lau het te en thei mai. Kan kom thang nu la ni chu dak ber mai na. Tra nu kom thang nu la. Kiara in marcha thak ka achinga hetla hiana da veni. I hope it's growing. Yeah, no pressure. I hope
I'm not that big, you know.
She says, did you make it wet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you can like
Because
no.
it did say how much if you feel it, it's quite damp.
Anh lấy ra
Didn't
tu
wanna
suy lâu
overwater it, 'cause
o
it said
tầm
gently water, didn't it? So-
tầm tiêu cần tiếng ngâm lâu đều tia no mà tia ôi anh tiêu cùng in chu cái nu zara may anh hi kan sigreng do ni hey nu si tham to mấy lo mi hey na khat na ni na thu mi kan bay mấy don mi chan cái thi te ma zui te hau te hey mary te kluang te si te hau te sang te hau te lai bun nai vela kan kanau te ka ule nau te hau kha lawin ring ru mai an bay ei tur mai an basic mai an sik turin ron fe turin lawin ring ro ku bin che kan ti chau kan na siam chau don ya mother thank you lutuk onu ente thiam top he ti chau chau mai kanu ku thi mui to pa lalpan malasoma atipia hi mui ngil zel ni
mùi nghiêng lẩu nhang ấy
trâu hi tam zo ko trâu lo ma trâu thei lo leng ma zo ki tui tam wang nom lu tuk wang ning em le te ka tia he ha hi la trâu lo wa an lom kim lo de wa ma se tam zo chu he trâu to mo kan lo ya trâu me yang hey azara kanu tho hana zara lo fel fai tak kan ne ya lai te sto til store na muna niya mo. It's nice and tidy now. Mom did everything before you
Great
can't
job,
see.
yeah.
Yeah, because ama chuan engma mu pong mu thei lo.
Eyes okay.
Yeah, okay. Close your eyes. Yeah. Oh, ka term ta buna hey ka mu thei lo
Oh
te.
my gosh, I feel like, do you know beer goggles?
Yeah.
Where like you feel like you're
Do you
drunk,
think
Like
am
my
I quite
eyes have gone
my eyes is quite bad. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's time to recover.
Wait to
Magic.
quite warm. Hey, babe, look the sky.
You
Yeah.
suit them.
You think?
Look lovely on you.
Oh, thank you.
I've got an
Vin, yeah. Vin hian. Kiara birthday pualin Mizotawng min zirtir ro tia. Chuanin obi trangin zero katia hey obi trangin azir don.
Oh, you have an
Yeah.
and an O.
Oh, yeah. Say, you need to repeat. You need to make it louder. Make it louder. Yeah.
O. B.
B.
Cho.
Yeah.
D. I know that one. A.
So your A and our A is different.
F.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
G.
G.
N.
Mm.
H. E. J. Yeah, so some of them are the same.
Yeah.
K.
Okay. Yeah.
L.
Yeah.
M. I know that one. N.
O.
O.
B.
B. R. S. D.
G.
G. Oh,
Yeah.
I remember you saying this one.
Yeah.
before. Ooh. V.
Z. Yeah.
Also, do you not do like X and Y?
No, X and Y.
Why did you
But
just
we
not like
say
those
we say tree is like D,
Tree.
but in the bottom we put dot under
it's
that
tree.
T and tree like. Say again.
R.
With
So
playing,
play
yeah. Hey, Mizo, ka zir du atia kan han zir tira ni pathian thu kan zir tir zo. Le, O.
Cho.
Kan
Cho.
bhan. Yeah.
D.
Kan bhan in zir tir chikim em. Yeah. Fel top. Thiam
I'll have
chikim
to
ve ka
write down
du.
the ones that are different.
Yeah. So many are similar, so
Yeah.
half of them you already know. See, tree, yeah,
Is that
tree,
right?
yeah. U. You we say U. U. Z.
Z.
Yeah. Say 5 letters today. 5 letters. You learn 5 letters.
Right.
Beginning 5 letters.
So
A.
O, B, G,
Cho.
Cho, D.
Yeah. Oh, see?
And then there's A.
Yeah. So how many you going to learn today? How many you going to post?
Oh.
Abay ka tiyan ka doon. So
So is it A?
A O B
For
Cho.
E. How do you
Yeah,
say
yeah,
E?
A.
F,
Yeah.
G,
Yeah.
Ing,
Eng.
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 See,
Eng.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna
yeah,
write
Eng.
this down.
Yeah.
Write them down after. And then H.
Yeah.
Is, E,
Yeah.
J,
Yeah.
K, L, M, N.
Yeah.
And all these. O,
Ow.
ow,
Yeah.
P,
Yeah.
R,
Yeah.
S,
Yeah.
T,
Yeah.
tree.
Yeah. Oh.
And then what else? U,
Yeah.
V,
Yeah.
Z.
Yeah. High five.
Like
Going
a
to write.
baby.
Yeah, you're going to write it down now.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
definitely.
yeah. Going to write it down. Oh,
Right.
we thiam ma lutuk. You're very good, Kiara.
Feel like a student again.
Yeah.
So we got.
Thiam chak lutuk. Kiara
Wait,
in.
can I get the
okay.
alphabet over?
Oh,
I'll give you a screenshot.
okay.
Can I have this?
Yeah, okay. And tondo na ni.
I'm not cheating.
Oh,
Right.
doon na alphabet as asay doon.
Yeah.
Mm.
A,
Oh,
O,
yeah.
B,
Yeah.
Cho,
Oh,
D,
yeah.
A,
Oh,
F,
oh,
G,
yeah.
N,
Oh,
H,
yes.
E,
Yeah.
J,
Yeah.
K,
Yeah.
L,
Oh.
M,
Oh.
N,
Yeah.
Ow,
Oh,
P,
yes.
R,
Yes.
S,
Yes.
T,
Yes.
tree,
Yes.
U,
Oh.
V,
Oh.
Z.
Yeah! Well done! In one evening! ROB in one evening, Kiara. Kiara.
Too good.
Yeah.
For you.
Kiara idamem?
Dame,
Yes. Kiara nuiro.
Liro.
Kiara tui inro. Tui
Tui,
inro.
tui, ka, ing, o,
Uh,
ow.
Tui. Not me. I'll
Oh,
tell you. I'll
yeah.
get this one. Kiara tui I in du em. Tui I in du em. Du em. Tui ka in du.
Tui, ka, ing, du.
Yeah, tui ka in du.
Kalome.
Yeah! Kiara Imeltra.
Kalome.
Yeah!
U, Anji,
Yeah.
Hemeltra, Luktu.
Yeah! OMG, Imeltra luto ka din. I'm going to let you call me in my Mizo name.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Machan.
Machan.
Machani.
Machani.
Yeah.
Machani.
Umachan.
U, Machani.
I is
U.
don't say I. Umachan.
Umachan,
Inhmeh.
Hemeltra,
Lut-
Luktu.
Oh, Umachan.
Umachan, Hemeltra, Luktu.
Yeah. Yes, no.
Hemeltra.
Like, yes,
Hemeltra.
yeah, Umachan. Machan, they call me Machan.
Umachan,
Yeah.
Hemeltra, Luktu.
Oh, kalome Kiara. Nang po, Imeltra lutuk.
Kalome.
Oh, yeah, Tiam, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Sis pass, you pass 100 out of 100.
Thank you.
Kiara in ROB, Mizo alphabet,
Oh yeah.
100 out of 100 pass. Wow, so proud. In just couple, just
10
in 10
minutes,
minutes.
let's say.
Yeah, minutes som chung lakin.
Most of the letters are the same. So
Yeah,
it's not
letter
too
ka.
much.
Letter ka in ang deu kang puya chuan chuanin chu ti lutuk chuanin min chuang lo la ti ni chu ma se, but so many couple are quite tricky,
Yeah.
oo and tree and o and stuff. But you did it well. You nailed it. Thank you, Kiara. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Yeah, Kiara is going to speak in Mizo
From
before
now
you know.
on.
Before you know, yeah.
Fluent.
Yeah, chat tawin ikaron strong twai ang ati ni. Oh, thank you, Kiara. Kan lo me. Kita ki kanu in kan like kan in vlog like kan in zirtir live vel min lo video ni kita ki YouTuber when she's go back to Mizo she maybe become a YouTuber now.
I'll subscribe.
Karen YouTuber ni chong ka lo subscribe ang chen.
She's got practice from.
Yeah, practice from here. Now what I in zirati too. Just only you might be my subscribers. She said.
Happily.
Yeah, kalom thau ang ati chu pakhat chau ni mai la ti chu.
Good.
Yeah.
Got vlog stuff.
subscriber tan pakhat che ka nei don ni chu
Just only you, I might be my subscribers.
Oh, happily.
Yeah, yeah. The long thâu nga teacher, pakhat so ni may la teacher. Oh, yes, Salatika.
Thank you. Oh, cracking.
Hey, big bang, beep.
Beep, Kiara.
It's cracking. Getting beat now. Oh, dear me.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Kiara birthday. Oh, it's okay. Take care, my dear.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord, may the good Lord, may the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I'm going to choose
Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
ก็ทันสักเจ
Yeah, she said I choose for you.
Thank you, so hello.
Ah!
อันนั้นลิเตียม
And he said, do you like it?
The beautiful.
More
เก
good
มา
to
เลมอเกมาเลมอเอเจียนันนี่อันนั้นกันที
Adrian and me saying this is nice for you.
Oh,
So,
just tell her it's nice. I like the blue.
blue here nal katia. Ay, hey, anal kati tini chu.
Oh, close up on my.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to. Let me look at that.
Yeah.
เบี้ยวจอนมินสุกรลิ
Yeah, she said, if you happy, you need to kiss my cheek. Oh, okay. Oh, it's really suits you. Oh, if Mizo.
มิโซรามาจะกินให้กิเจน
Yeah, for
Oh,
Mizotawng.
it's so
Yeah.
lovely.
Happy
It's like a little
birthday.
bag.
Yeah, Mizo's. Yeah.
Put my earrings in it.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Oh, that is so cute.
Post it and I'll photo you. Look at me. Yeah. Right. Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome, my
I love
dear.
like the pattern.
But yeah.
Traditional. That is so.
Yeah.
No,
You
thank
deserve
so
it.
much.
Oh.
Oh, that's and as well, it's something that I'd never choose. to
Choose
get
it.
for myself.
Yeah. So sometimes you surprise yourself,
Yeah.
though.
That's so lovely.
Yeah. Okay, what you got, Kiara, for your birthday present?
Made in Mizotawng. Oh my
Make in
gosh.
Mizoram. Oh,
Oh.
Mizoram at nga. Kanuron hon sak ngay may hey back
Put
there.
like a
Yeah.
Vaseline.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
The lip balm.
Yeah. A little.
Oh, that is just so
Turn it
cute.
round a bit, tiny bit. Oh, that's right. 1, 2. Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Oh, it's just so
So cute.
Lovely.
Yeah, I know.
Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much.
Thank you. Kiara birthday nuwa kan inaron kal birthday ya nuwa kan inaron kal masak beran ya chuan chanin present te kalau pe a chanin beng be kan enang hey kan nu na than sak oh hey than sak analin lo ti vvm til te hi cute deu hi ada cute deu hi say you like the cute things the tiny
Yeah,
tiny and cute things hey
A little bag in a little box.
yeah, little bag in a little box. Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, it's so sweet.
Oh, thank you. Mizoram keychain. Kanun.
I need the
aron
whole
kan.
outfit.
Oh!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord, may the good Lord, may Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to
You need to ask them if you think I look good. Can you tell me in the comment section? Yes.
And my earrings as well.
Yes. Oh, a birthday earring, Tenen. Oh.
Been colourful today.
Yes. Yeah. Can you request people?
So, if you... so bad.
Come on.
I could never be a YouTuber.
Yeah.
So let us know in the comments what you think.
Yes, that's good.
That's good.
Yeah.
And I'll come to Mizotawng one day.
Yes. So, kanal
Canal.
inthuam.
Canal inthuam.
Oh, that's yeah.
Mary arose and went in a hurry to the hill country to a city of Judah, and entered the house of the Zacharias, and greeted Elizabeth. When Elizabeth heard Mary's greeting, the baby leaped in her womb, and Elizabeth was filled with the Holy Spirit. And she cried out with a loud voice and said, "Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb. And how has it happened to me that the mother of my Lord would come to me? For behold, when the sound of your greeting reached my ears, the baby leaped in my womb for joy. And blessed is she who believed that there would be a fulfillment of what had been spoken to her by the Lord."